don't try to build your financial advisory business on referrals. I personally think it is dangerous and not a very smart move, short-term thinking, and not sustainable. Let's unpack that in today's video. I'm Willem Koos, the founder of Human Entrepreneur. We developed a recipe for job creation in Africa by shifting people's mindsets. I get an unemployed person to start a profitable business in 5 weeks without external funding, any business, industry, or sector. And now I teach, train, and coach that same thinking and mindset to financial advisors and planners like you, so that you can build a successful, consistently growing financial advisory business. Please make sure to subscribe to this channel, turn on all notifications. Great. Let's take a look at why I don't like referrals. Well, I have a few reasons for that. So number one, you have to ask yourself, are you a zoo lion or a wild lion? If you depend on getting referrals to grow your business, you're just like a zoo lion who's dependent on the zookeeper to feed them. That's what's happening. If the zookeeper is sick for a day or a week, you're not getting fed. You look like a lion, you sound like a lion, but you probably lost your ability to hunt and go and get your own food. So you're dependent on that. It creates the dependency and you have no control. That's the problem that I have with your building a business on referrals. Also, you can't make it part of a growth strategy because you can't control it. You don't know if you're going to get, if you're not going to get. So how do you plan for that? Because if it dries up for a month, you're stuffed. Why? Because a zoo lion can't get out and go and feed themselves because you lost your ability to feed yourself. While a wild lion can simply, when they're hungry, they go out, they hunt, they feed themselves, they come back, they're fine. And that's the thing that you have to develop. To become a wild lion, you have to start thinking like an entrepreneur. Always stay hungry, always find new and creative ways to hunt new business, to find new business. And like the wild lions, sometimes good things happen. There might be a hunter, they shot a buck and they just left it there, didn't want anything else. Good, you got fed without having to hunt today. And lastly, you misunderstand referrals, their role in it. A referral is not there to bring you business. A referral is there as a lagging indicator of the quality of your service, your business processes, and the products that you deliver. If you consistently get new business and you get no referrals, something is not working. If you're consistently getting business, new customers, and you're getting referrals, something's happening, something good. So your referral is a measurement of your success in delivering what you promise to the customer. That's a key thing. It's not there to get more business. If it does bring you more business, well done, happy for you. But please don't make referrals as part of your growth strategy, because you will slowly navigate yourself into becoming a zoo lion, and you're going to be dependent on somebody else, sitting in a situation that you don't control. If you like to work with me, want me to speak at your conference, I'm a professional speaker, or if you're interested in my training, my master classes, and my long-term programs for my one-on-one coaching, my contact details are below. Please make sure to share this video with at least 5 other advisors or planners who you think can get benefit from this video. Look forward to seeing you in the next one.